I discovered a way to turn everyday ingredients into a beautiful, refreshing DIY soap, and I was not expecting it to work this well. Hey, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous sunset float soap. This kit comes with what you need. Let's dive right in. Cut the soap base into 1-inch cubes. Place the spray cap on the Perfumer's alcohol. So you're gonna need to cut your spray nozzle. So you just wanna set it next to the bottle and kind of measure around where you have to make your cut. And cut both straws into 3 equal pieces. So you will end up with 6 small straws. Then you will set aside. Place 26 ounces, about 3/4 of the package of the cube soap base into a double boiler or microwave safe container. Melt gently, stirring occasionally until fully liquefied. Remove from the heat and stir in the essential oil and safer fragrance oil until well combined. In 2 pitchers, divide the melted soap evenly. To the first pitcher, you're gonna add Fuchsia mica powder. Stir until smooth. To the second pitcher, add yellow gold mica powder. Then you'll stir that until smooth. Let both pitchers cool to about 125 to 135 degrees. Or until a light skin starts to form. Slowly, you want to pour both colors into the mold at the same time, rotating to create a swirling pattern. Drag a skewer or similar tool through the soap in a swirling motion a few times to help define swirls. Then you will set aside to cool. While the swirl layer cools, melt the remaining soap base. Once the soap has melted and then cooled slightly to around 150 degrees, use an electric whisk to whip the soap until a thick, fluffy, similar to whipped cream, and still warm consistency is achieved. Generously spray the surface of the swirl layer with Perfumer's alcohol. Quickly spoon or pipe the whipped soap on top. Here's a tip. The topping becomes harder to work with as it cools, so work quickly. Insert the straw pieces into the whipped soap, placing 3 on each side, evenly spaced like the 6 dots on a dice. Let the soap cool and harden completely. This usually takes several hours. To speed things up, place the mold in the fridge. Gently pull the sides off the mold away from the soap, then press from the bottom to release. If it feels a little stubborn, especially with a brand new mold, just take your time. The soap will come free. Using a non-serrated knife or soap cutter, cut straight down the center, then make 3 even horizontal cuts. You'll end up with 6 rectangular bars, each topped with whipped soap and a straw. Wrap the soap with the soap wax paper and secure the tape, then add your label. Here's the tip. Your soap's secret ingredient is temperature. The right temps in this recipe give you dreamy, defined swirls and a whipped top that holds its whipped cream peaks. Too hot and your colors will blend together. Too cool and your soap topping won't fluff. Your thermometer equals your swirl plus foam superpower. If you end up with extra soap, you can remelt it, pour it into a mold, and use it for future whipped soap projects. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to make this sunset float soap yourself, it's super easy with the Simply Earth DIY melt and pour soap kit. This kit includes what you need to make sunset float soap with vibrant swirls and a fluffy whipped topping. Perfect for relaxing, self-care, or gifting to friends. Just follow the simple steps and you'll have your own batch of beautiful aromatic soap in no time. Let's see how it turned out. I love how this smells so much. It smells amazing. It looks adorable. It's perfect for gifting. I would totally gift these away myself. If this works for me, it'll work for you too. Try it yourself and let me know how it goes. Share your creation with hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card and get featured. And if you want more easy, fun, toxin-free DIYs, be sure to check out this DIY kit at Simply Earth. See you in the next video.